Let's be honest. Most people lose money in crypto. That's the cold truth. And it's not because crypto is a scam. It's because most people jump in without understanding how the game works. They chase hype, follow random YouTubers, and panic at every market dip. Sound familiar? Welcome to episode 3 of our 10-part series on learning crypto investing using AI. Today, we'll explore why so many people fail and how AI can help you avoid becoming just another statistic. First, let's break down the 3 biggest reasons most people lose money. Number 1. Emotional investing. People buy high and sell low because they follow fear and greed, not logic. They see Bitcoin going up, jump in at the peak, and then sell when it crashes. Second, lack of research. Many new investors don't understand the coins they buy. They hear about a new project on Twitter and invest without reading a single white paper. That's like buying a house without checking if it has a roof. Third, no risk management. Putting all your money into one coin or trading without a stop loss is like driving without brakes. It might be thrilling until you hit a wall. So, where does AI come in? AI can remove emotional decision-making. Imagine a bot that never panics. AI tools can analyze real-time data from the market, scan news headlines, track whale movements, and even read social media sentiment, all within seconds. Let's say a meme coin starts trending on X or Reddit. AI can instantly detect the spike in chatter and alert you before the price moves. Or if big wallets start dumping a coin, AI can warn you to reconsider your position. More importantly, AI can help you build a strategy. You can set up your own rules like only invest in coins with strong on-chain activity or exit positions if market sentiment turns negative. The AI follows your rules without getting distracted by noise. It also helps with portfolio diversification. AI can recommend how to spread your investment across multiple coins, reducing your risk and increasing stability. And guess what? You don't need to be a coder or data scientist. Many beginner-friendly AI platforms are designed with drag-and-drop features and pre-built templates. Just plug in your strategy and let the AI monitor the market for you. The smartest crypto investors are not the ones who always win big. They're the ones who avoid big losses. They stay consistent, calculated, and calm. AI helps you become that kind of investor. So don't follow the crowd. Don't buy because someone on TikTok said it'll moon. Use AI to make your own decisions. Data beats drama, always. Coming up in episode 4, we'll explore how to build your first crypto portfolio using AI-based tools and smart diversification techniques, even if you're starting with a small budget. Subscribe now and don't miss what's next. This is the smarter way to enter crypto in 2025.